When I was searching for Dye EV charger online, I couldn't find a single video, practical video for a new smart EV charger from Dye. So I've got this Dye EV charger installed. It is a SUN-22K kilowatt of EV charger, but I have connected it as a single phase. It can be connected to three phase as well, but it's connected through this AC cable to directly to my board here. Okay, so this is my old Huawei inverter, so it's connected here. This is the switch. So this is it. So now let's go to the application part. Let's go to the App Store, and I have the update available for Dye Cloud. Let's update it first, and then I'll show you how the app screen looks like. So we are in the Dye Cloud app. This is the plant. Okay, so if there is a smart EV charger icon on the app, and here you can see I have plenty of options. My system is on grid. I mean, it's the hybrid on grid as well. So this off grid charging SoC is irrelevant for me. I've used solar only option and it worked perfectly. And these options, max charging power, these also work very good. Because I have a single phase connection, it works till 7.4 kilowatt. I haven't tried to set up more than it, but it works great.